Sentence 1. I understand your frustration and I'll do my best to resolve this issue. Use this phrase when someone is upset or dissatisfied. It shows empathy and a willingness to help, making the other person feel heard and valued. Why it works. Acknowledging someone's frustration reassures them that their concerns matter, which can de-escalate tense situations, especially in customer service or workplace conflicts. I've been waiting for over an hour for a response. This delay is really frustrating. I understand your frustration and I'll do my best to resolve this issue. Let me check what happened and find a solution right away. Sentence 2. Thank you for your honesty. I'll work on improving this. When someone gives you constructive criticism, this phrase helps you respond professionally and positively instead of getting defensive. Why it works. It shows that you're open to feedback and willing to improve, which leaves a good impression on colleagues, managers, or clients. The project design has some flaws. It's not quite meeting our standards. Thank you for your honesty. I'll work on improving this. Could you share any specific changes you'd like to see? Sentence 3. Could you share suggestions to avoid repeating this situation? This phrase encourages collaboration and problem solving. Instead of focusing on blame, it shifts the conversation toward finding a solution and preventing future issues. Why it works. Acknowledging the problem while inviting input makes others feel valued and involved in the improvement process. We had a lot of confusion with the deadlines last week. I'm sorry about that. Could you share suggestions to avoid repeating this situation? I'd like to make the process smoother next time. Sentence 4. I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me fix this right away. This is a powerful phrase to use when you've made a mistake or caused an inconvenience. A quick apology, followed by an immediate action plan, helps diffuse frustration and restore trust. Why it works. People appreciate responsibility and prompt solutions more than excuses. The file you sent is missing important data, and I needed it yesterday. I apologize for the inconvenience. Let me fix this right away. I'll send the corrected file in the next 15 minutes. Sentence 5. We value your feedback. It helps us grow. This phrase is perfect for handling customer feedback or performance reviews. It shows appreciation and encourages people to share constructive comments. Why it works. When customers or colleagues feel that their opinions truly matter, they are more likely to engage and offer helpful suggestions rather than just complaints. I like your service overall, but I think your website could be more user-friendly. We value your feedback. It helps us grow. I'll pass your comments on to our web design team to make improvements. Sentence 6. What terms do you consider fair for both sides? This is a smart negotiation strategy. Instead of demanding your terms, you invite the other party to share theirs first. This approach builds rapport and leads to a mutually beneficial solution. Why it works. It shifts the focus from conflict to collaboration and helps uncover what the other party truly values. We need a higher budget if we're going to meet your timeline. I understand. What terms do you consider fair for both sides? Let's discuss and see where we can meet in the middle. Sentence 7. Let's find a solution that satisfies all parties without drastic compromises. This phrase promotes a win-win approach, showing that you're open to collaboration without anyone making extreme sacrifices. Why it works. It reassures others that you're flexible and solution-oriented, encouraging fair and balanced decision-making. If we use this plan, my team might lose a big part of our budget. Let's find a solution that satisfies all parties without drastic compromises. Maybe we can reallocate resources more evenly. Sentence 8. Can we highlight areas of agreement and build from there? This phrase helps de-escalate disagreements by shifting the focus to common ground. By identifying shared goals, discussions become more productive. Why it works. When people see they already agree on some points, it lowers resistance and makes further compromise easier. We seem to be stuck on the budget distribution. right? Can we highlight areas of agreement and build from there? Let's first list what we both want to achieve. Sentence 9. Negotiation isn't about winning or losing. It's about shared benefit. This is a powerful mindset shift in negotiations. It reminds both parties that collaboration leads to better outcomes than competition. Why it works? It reframes the discussion as a mutual opportunity, not a battle, making it easier to find solutions that work for both sides. I feel like if I agree to your terms, I'm losing out on potential profit. Negotiation isn't about winning or losing. It's about shared benefit. Let's see how we can structure our deal so both of us gain.